That was a good sleep, right, boys? No, that was a bad sleep for me. I've had worst sleeps, but this has to be the worst one I've ever had in my life. I guess mine was pretty good, but whatever. I had the saddest dream ever. It was one where I spilled the milk. Sadness, you always have a dream about when you spill the milk. Oh. I've seen some things, guys. I've seen some things. You always say that, Fear. Oh, but I've still seen things. Things no man should have seen. Alright, let's get the day started. Which will probably wake him up. What a great morning. I think I'll go see what Freddy is up to. Alright, you heard him, boys. We should go and check on Nightmare Freddy. See if he's ready to start the day. You guys ready? Ready to see our good friend? Oh, yeah. I want to see if he's ready to have a bad morning. Whatever. I guess it wouldn't hurt. I have nothing better else to do. I mean, what's even the meaning of doing it? We're all gonna die. I guess so, man. I don't even know anymore. Alright, let's go and see Freddy. Oh, hey there, Freddy. Oh, good morning, Whisper. Are you drawing up a plan to get your revenge on Springtrap / Purple Guy? Yes. But I need a way to make sure that he never comes back. He has already survived the fire of Fazbear's Fright. We need a way to make sure he never comes back again. Well, you do know that whatever you do to him, he's still going to come back because the Purple Guy is still stuck with the curse of not being able to die because Ennard had promised him that he wouldn't die. Yes, but I figured if we were to destroy the body in some way, because the year-old spring Bonnie suit is his new body, so if it were destroyed in some way, then he would be no more. I guess that would make sense. But I need the way to destroy the body. Do you have any ideas? Of course, let me think. Okay, boys, you heard Freddy. We need an idea to make sure that the Purple Guy / Springtrap never comes back again. And the only way to do that is to destroy the year-old spring Bonnie suit. So, any ideas, boys? Why don't we launch a pack of angry dogs at him? That's a good idea, Anger, but he will survive that like he survived the fire. Why don't we douse him in honey and drop him off at a bear cage in the zoo? No, he would survive that too. Why don't we ask the other Nightmare animatronics to skin him alive? He would survive that too, Fear. Discust, do you have any ideas? Well, we could just bring him back to the sister location and bring him over to the scooping room and have his insides scooped out again. But whatever. Yeah, he's right. You using the scooping room from the sister location could work. The scooping room worked last time when Ennard used it to... The scooping room worked the last time Ennard used it to use Springtrap / Purple Guy's body to walk out as a normal average Joe, so it has to work now. Yeah. If it worked for Ennard, it has to work now. Okay, let's give him the response. What if you were to take Springtrap / Purple Guy back to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rentals, and then take him to the scooping room and scoop out the insides, like Ennard did? Yeah, you're right. That could work. Thanks, Whisper. This is why I call you the smart one. Oh, I gotta start drawing up this plan. Always happy to help, Freddy. Now let's see if David is having a good morning. Okay, boys, you heard him. We are about to approach David's area, so let's also make sure that this one also runs smoothly as the last one. Okay, boys? Good. Let's go. Hello. Good morning, David. What are you doing? Huh? Oh, morning, Whisper. Do you still have that mark from when Cody stabbed you in the face with a pencil? Yes, it's still there. I'm hoping it'll come out soon. I mean, at least it looks like I have some sort of a nose now, but I really hope this comes out. Anyway, I overheard you telling Nightmare Freddy your plan for getting rid of Springtrap / Purple Guy, and I figured that if the scooping room doesn't work, I was hoping that I could make something that could poison Springtrap. And so far, I've been thinking while you were talking, and I have no idea what could poison him. Any ideas? Let me think. Okay, boys. Now we need to think of a plan on how to poison Springtrap / Purple Guy. Any ideas? What if we just forget about all this, and then how about we just forget all this and get a restraining order on Springtrap and live happily in shame? I'm gonna go with that idea too. What a bunch of wusses! I can't believe you guys. You would rather get a restraining order on Springtrap and live happily in shame. How? That's just a sign that you're a wuss. No, I says that he makes brownies and then he pours toilet water and poison the brownies. Yeah. Ugh, toilet water is like so gross, man, but it could possibly poison Springtrap, but whatever. Toilet water is just like so gross, man. I agree, and it could poison him. Let's give the response. How about you make brownies, then afterwards you can ask your boss if you can get some water from the toilet so you can pour it onto the brownies so it would be poisoned. Wow, that could work. Oh, I'll get started right away. Thanks, Whisper. Okay, you're welcome. Oh, to get breakfast. Now that was a good breakfast. Now I just need to decide what I want to do now. Maybe I'll take a nap. You heard 'em, boys. We have the rest of the day off. Well, good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.